Good morning everybody. Yesterday we discussed non-homogeneous differential equation of first two cases where a2 equal to minus b1 and a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If not of those two cases, then the third case come into the picture. If you observe here, a2 not equal to minus b1 is plus 2, this is also plus 2, so not that case. And a1 by a2, this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 3. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. But constant is there, this is a non-homogeneous. So non-homogeneous, if it is of this kind, this is 7 marks question actually previously, very lengthy, but we'll learn. If I convert this into a homogeneous, then I can take let y equal to vx and we can proceed like that. How can I convert this into a homogeneous? To convert this into a homogeneous, we will shift the origin to some h comma k so that this is converted into homogeneous, means constant terms are removed. Let the origin be shifted to origin b, because these two are two separate lines. If I shift the origin be shifted to h comma k so that the equation is converted into homogeneous. So that the equation is converted into homogeneous. So that the equation is converted into homogeneous. Means what I am saying is x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. We know that when the origin is shifted to h comma k, then the new coordinate system becomes x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. If I substitute in this, then dy by dx is automatically capital dy by dx if I differentiate this. So this is equal to x is capital X plus h plus 2 into capital Y plus k plus 3 by 2 into, again this is capital X plus h plus 3 into capital Y plus k plus 4. Now if I simplify this equation, this becomes x plus 2y plus h plus 2k plus 3, h plus 2k plus 3 by 2x plus y, 2x plus 3y plus 2h plus 3k plus 4, 2h plus 3k plus 4, 2h plus 3k plus 4. Now we are shifting the origin so that it is converted into homogeneous. We said homogeneous means this part should be 0 and this part should be 0, then only it will be converted to homogeneous. Constant terms won't be there, they should be of the same degree, first degree. Kx comma ky gives you k power n into x comma y. So these constants should not be there, means this must be equal to 0. So according to our assumption, this part must be 0, this part must be 0. Implies what I want to say is h plus 2k plus 3 equal to 0 and 2h plus 3k plus 4 equal to 0. So we need to shift the origin to h comma k so that these two are 0. So what are the values of h comma k? Which point we are shifting? So solving these two, if these two are zeros, solving these two I can get h comma k so that I can shift the origin to that point. Then this automatically becomes 0. So the equation becomes dy by dx equal to x plus 2y by 2x plus 3y. So for finding h comma k, solve 1 and 2. So you know how to solve using cross multiplication method or elimination method or substitution method, your choice of doing it. I am going for substitution method. 1 into 2 becomes 2h plus 4k plus 6 equal to 0 and this is 2h plus 3k plus 4 equal to 0. So 2h cancel, k plus 2 equal to 0 implies k equal to minus 2. K equal to minus 2. Now substitute k value in anything gives me h value. Substitute in 1. So h minus 2k means minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0 implies h equal to 1. H equal to 1. So h equal to 1, k equal to minus 2. So origin to be shifted to 1 comma minus 2. So if I am substituting 1 and minus 2 here, the equation dy by dx becomes capital dy by dx equal to x plus 2y by 2x plus 3y. If I am substituting h is 1 here, k is minus 2, this automatically becomes 0, this is also 0. So substituting those two values, this becomes equation becomes dy by dx equal to x plus 2y by 2x plus 3y. When the origin is shifted to 1 comma minus 2, the equation is converted into like this. When the origin is shifted to 1 comma minus 2, the line is converted like this, x plus 2y by 2x plus 3y. Now you can go for homogeneous equation. This is a homogeneous equation, all are of same degree. So you can go for the, how do you solve the homogeneous equation? Let y equal to vx. Let y equal to vx implies dy by dx equal to b plus x into dv by dx. Same procedure, equal procedure. So y equal to vx, dy by dx equal to b plus x into dv by dx. Then how do we solve this? And keep that point h comma k equal to, we got 1 comma minus 2 in mind. I mean somewhere. Now, in place of dy by dx, we can write b plus x into dv by dx equal to, in place of y I am substituting vx, so this becomes x plus 2vx by 2x plus 3vx, 2x plus 3vx. Now you can take x common and cancel, then the equation becomes, if you take x common and cancel, then the equation becomes 1 plus 2v by 2 plus 3v, 2 plus 3v, v plus x into dv by dx equal to this. Now plus v to the side becomes minus v, so becomes x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus 2v by 2 plus 3v plus v goes to the side minus v. Now if you take the LCM, this is 2 plus 3v is LCM. 2 plus 3v is LCM. So it becomes 1 plus 2v minus 2v minus 2v minus 3v square. Minus 3v square. 2v cancel. Now variable separable. So automatically this becomes 2 plus 3v by 2 plus 3v by 1 minus 3v square. 1 minus 3v square dv equal to dx by x. dv equal to dx by x. Now integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So what I want to say is, when the equation is non-homogeneous of third case, then you need to shift the origin to h comma k so that the equation is converted into homogeneous. So you need to find those h comma k. After substituting those h comma k, the equation becomes homogeneous completely. Then in the homogeneous, you substitute y equal to vx, you know how to solve the homogeneous. So the procedure proceeds, same procedure like homogeneous. So integrating on both sides, what do you get? Here you need to know integration agent value. So integral of this, integral of 2 plus 3v by this, I can write 2 by 1 minus 3v square plus 3 into v by 1 minus 3v square, or 3 also inside, 3v by 1 minus 3v square equal to integral of dx by x. Integral of dx by x. Now this part you know how to integrate. This is, if I write 2 by 3 outside, this becomes integral of 1 by 3 minus v square. Why I am writing like this is 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by a square minus x square formula I can use. 1 by a square minus x square formula I can use here. And here 1 by 2 into 2 minus 2. 1 by minus 2 into minus 2 if I do, this becomes minus 6b by 1 minus 3b square. So this is f dash x by fx. And this is integral of x is log mod x anyhow plus c, or you can write log c for choice of writing. So I will write log c. Now this is 2 by 3 into 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by 2a, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 3. So 2 by root 3, 1 by 2a, log mod a plus x by a minus x. 1 by root 3 plus b by 1 by root 3 minus b, a plus x by a minus x. Minus 1 by 2 into f dash x by fx, log mod fx, log mod 1 minus 3b square equal to log x into c. So log x plus log c is log of x into c I can write. This gets cancelled 2 and this gets cancelled for root 3 times. This gets cancelled for root 3 times. So what it becomes is 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into log of root 3. If I take LCM, this becomes root 3 plus b by root 3 minus b. So b means if I substitute b means y by x. This becomes, in place of b I am substituting directly y by x because I am taking b equal to, means y equal to bx. So this becomes b equal to y by x. If I substitute, it becomes root 3x is LCM. So x plus root 3y by this is x minus root 3 by root 3y minus half into log of 1 minus 3b square, 3 into y square by x square, y square by x square plus is equal to log xc as log xc as. If you want, you can further simplify, or you can leave like this and write where capital X equal to small x minus h is 1 and capital Y equal to small y minus k, that is minus of minus plus 2. So like this you can leave, or if you want you can resubstitute in place of capital X, x minus 1 in capital Y plus 2. One more sum of the same kind, non-homogeneous, we will discuss. dy by dx equal to 2x plus y plus 3 by 2y plus x plus 1. Here if you observe, these two are not equal. If I arrange also, this is a2 is not equal to minus b1. a2 not equal to minus b1 and a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by, even if a1 by a2 is 2 by 1, this is 1 by 2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So not the first two cases. So we should go for the third case only. So we should go for the third case. That is homogeneous. Convert this into homogeneous by shifting the origin. So let the origin be shifted to, let the origin be shifted to h comma k, so that the equation is converted into homogeneous. So that the equation is converted into homogeneous. Means x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. Now if I substitute here, dy by dx equal to 2 into x plus h, that is 2x plus 2h and y plus k. So 2h plus y plus k plus 3. Like say 2y plus k, 2k, 2y plus 2k makes x plus h is x plus h only plus. So it is converted into homogeneous, means this part is 0 as well as this part is 0. Means 2h plus k plus 3 equal to 0, h plus 2k plus 1 equal to 0, h plus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Solving these two, I will get h comma k. Solving these two, I will get h comma k. So I will go for elimination method. If I multiply this with 2, if I multiply this with 2, I will get 4h plus 2k plus 6 equal to 0 and h plus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. So subtract. So automatically 2k cancel. This is 3h and this is plus 5 equal to 0. H equal to minus 5 by 3. H equal to minus 5 by 3. Next. H equal to minus 5 by 3. Next. K equal to, substitute h in anything gives you k value. That is minus 10 by 3 plus k plus 3 equal to 0. So k equal to 10 by 3 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. K equal to 1 by 3. So origin will be shifted to minus 5 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Origin to be shifted to minus 5 by 3 comma. Now if the origin is shifted to minus 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, this is converted into homogeneous. Means the equation becomes dy by dx equal to these two are zeros, means it becomes 2x plus y by 2y plus x or x plus 2y, doesn't matter. So this is a homogeneous equation. So non-homogeneous is converted into homogeneous by shifting the origin to minus 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. This is h comma k, we should get. Now this is a homogeneous equation. We know how to solve. So we should take y equal to vx. So proceed like this. Let y equal to vx as usual. Let y equal to vx. If with respect to x. So automatically becomes dy by dx equal to v into derivative of x1 plus x into derivative of v dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx. So in place of dy by dx, we will substitute v plus x into dv by dx equal to, in place of x as it is 2x and in place of y we are taking dx. So this is vx plus vx by x plus 2vx, and by taking x comma and cancelling, it becomes 2 plus v by 1 plus 2v. 2 plus v by 1 plus 2v. Now bring this plus v to the side, becomes minus v. Means x into dv by dx equal to 2 plus v by 1 plus 2v, and plus v goes to that side, minus v. This plus v goes to that side, minus v. And if you take LCM, this becomes 1 plus 2v, 2 plus v, minus v, minus 2v square, minus 2v square. V cancel. Now the equation is, if I go for variable separable, this becomes 1 plus 2v by 1 plus 2v by 2 minus 2v square dv equal to dx by x equal to dx by x. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Now integrating on both sides, it becomes integral of 1 plus 2v by 2 minus v square dv equal to dx by x equal to dx by x. Now this is, you know how to integrate this f dash x by fx. If it is, so you can split into two parts, 1 by this plus 2 by this, then only you will get f dash x by fx like that. So this is integral of 1 by 2 into 1 minus v square plus 2v by 2 into 1 minus v square, that is 1 minus v square, equal to integral of 1 by x is log mod x plus log c also you can write, doesn't matter. Now this is again 1 by 2 outside, this is 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by 2a means 1 by 2 log mod a plus x by a minus x, 1 plus b by 1 minus b. Calculation part to take care of this. So this is if I do minus f dash x by fx, log mod fx, so minus half into log mod 1 minus v square, log mod 1 minus v square equal to log xc, equal to log xc. Calculation part to take care. Now if I take 4 LCM and bring on to that side, this becomes log of 1 plus v by 1 minus v into, this is 2 times, because I am taking 4 LCM, so this is 2 times means whole square, 1 minus v square whole square equal to log xc. You can leave like this or you can simplify, your choice of doing. So this is log cancels, and 1 plus vx means 1 plus y by x. So x plus y by x minus y. Or we will do one thing, this 1 plus v into 1 minus v, if we write, it gets cancelled again. So 1 plus v whole square, that is 1 plus v into 1 plus v whole square is 1 plus v whole cube. And 1 minus v, 1 gets cancelled, but one more 1 minus v will be there. Is equal to x. Now substitute y equal to vx. So 1 plus y by x whole cube into 1 minus y by x equal to xc, where capital X equal to small x minus h. So small x plus pi by 3 and capital Y equal to small y minus 1 by 3. Small y minus 1 by 3. This is how we will solve a equation, non-homogeneous equation. So first of all, we need to convert into homogeneous by shifting the origin to h comma k. By shifting the origin to h comma k, then we will find h comma k, we will write the homogeneous equation, and from there we will proceed with the homogeneous equation. Let y equal to vx, and then variable separable, bringing all variables to one side, these to one side, x to one side, and simplifying.